Good morning, everyone. Let's look at your markets for today. Okay, we had some unemployment data coming out for the Swissy. That didn't really affect the market at all. That was just a minute ago, well, a few minutes ago. That didn't really affect the market. We just had the German trade balance come out, worse than forecast. We'll check the euro quickly. Yeah, there's no movement on that at the moment, so really not worth mentioning. We've got government, Governor Bailey speaking on the pound later, and then we've got some members from the ECB speaking on the euro. For me, that's a nonsensical. And then monetary policy statement, that'll definitely move the market on the euro. And initial jobless claims on the dollar. If it's significantly worse or significantly better than forecast, sure, it could move the market. If it's close to forecast, we won't see that. It's already factored in. We won't see it move the markets at all. So that, together with housing starts and building permits, they usually come out together on the loonie. They're coming out. So again, if it shocks the market, it could move it. If it doesn't, then nothing, absolutely nothing. So with the exception of the monetary policy statement, I don't see us really getting some significant volume today. But, we should see the normal volumes for any given trading day. So let's look at the indices. That's the S&P up 1.74%. The DAX and Euro stocks are both neutral. The FTSE is neutral as well, with the Russell up 2.19%. Commodities, gold and silver, we've got them both pretty neutral. And then Forex is neutral across the board. Okay, so that's good for us. It means we can focus purely on technicals. So let's move over to our chart. Don't know what's open at the moment. Oh, the euro. As you see, no movement from the data we just got, so we'll just ignore that. I've got some potential trading opportunities on the Aussie dollar. This looks to be strengthening. That's a breakout of that triangle, so I'm just going to do that. It was a close a few minutes ago, and I was waiting for the close to confirm the breakout. So obviously, I'll just jump on that bandwagon. Euro Aussie, same thing. That's also an exit. I just want to check Aussie yen as well. Aussie yen also a breakout. That's to the upside. I would rather honestly trade this. 226. There we go. Euro Aussie. That just triggered. 226 ATR on Euro Aussie versus 147. Let's just go short on this one. Better ATR for me. It's always the better option. Okay. Euro yen short. Let's look at Euro yen. I mean long, not short. Overbought. Yeah, we'll definitely jump on this bandwagon as well to take profit over there. I've been watching these for a few minutes now. This one is still approaching our levels, as you can see. I had these trades open. I had other trades open on the same period that I opened somewhere here, I think. Oh, there. I can't remember. Somewhere. Probably around this level. That I took profit here to close them out. But this is fast approaching our take profit levels at the moment. So really happy with these trades. Obviously, being able to predict the call like this is always fun to watch it come to fruition. Okay, so gold, that's in no man's land. I can't really trade this. I made some profit on it yesterday when it bounced off this trend line, but right now it's at no man's land. So for me, I need to see it pick a direction. Aussie CAD, that's in the median of the overall downward trend. This one is at a actual key level, so I can't trade that. Aussie yen, I just discussed, this should go up back to this level, but I'm already overexposed on both the Aussie and the yen, so I'm happy to just let this one go. Aussie QE, I'm not touching this. It's at this 38.2 level. Seems to be bouncing off it to the upside, but that could just be a pullback for the next big push down. So I'm not touching this one. Euro Swissy, waiting for the breakout there. Euro Pound. Want to see it respect either the channel or the trend line before I'll take another position long. But as we saw, the euro has been strengthening. No, the Aussie has been strengthening. Sorry. So euro has been in different directions depending on what quote currency it has. So, I mean, see if it respects the levels and then potentially base a decision on that. Euro dollar, it's no man's land, not touching that. Pound dollar, it's right at that 50 line, so it could potentially bounce off there and go down again. But for me, I would wait for a break of a trend line first instead of just guessing. This one, break to the upside, could potentially signal a further move to the upside. For me, I don't personally trade this because the spread is too high. I should actually remove this from my list, to be honest, because I never traded. But anyway, we've got the Kiwi dollar respecting the channel, so we could potentially short that. Dollar Swissy right at the bottom, testing the bottom of this triangle, so potential move to the downside could be signaled here. It would also mean it's respecting the overall trend line and the channel. So, I mean, we could potentially go short on this. Dollar yen, wait for the breakout, follow the momentum, and then silver is in no man's land. So what does that leave us with? We've got this trade open that we just opened to go long. I would potentially look to take profit there, so that level. That's going to be my take profit level. Euro, it reversed off the close, but we'll keep an eye on it. And if it does go, then I expect it to reach that level again. Okay, euro yen, we've already had the level in there, so you should see it reach that level. Obviously protect yourself, do some risk management there if you want to open these trades. And then obviously I'm still happy with this one. Okay, those are my positions for today. I've got Aussie dollar long, euro Aussie short, euro yen long, dollar CAD still short long term, as you know. And those are the ones I have. So nothing to get excited about, I think. The breakout just bounced back from the 38.2 level. So that could have been a false breakout. I'll need to keep an eye on that. That could have been a false breakout. And I'll definitely protect myself with a stop loss. But we'll keep an eye on it. See if it wants to come back down. This could have been a false breakout as well, but it is at a key level. So if the level holds, it's going to come down again. If the level breaks, it'll shoot up. So I'm fine with this one. This one I'm pretty confident in. This one created a rejection wick, so I'm not too confident in this one. What is it? Euro Aussie, that one. Not too confident in this. And then this one also had a rejection wick. even though it closed outside. I'll just leave it. It is still on the downside, so it should potentially respect that trend. And this one should respect this trend. So yeah, I mean, there's no reason to start panicking now. Then the Aussie dollar also will respect the triangle trend line. So yeah, those are my three positions that I just opened, and then this one is still going strong. So we'll see what happens with them. Made decent profits yesterday, as you can see. Pretty decent. So I'm definitely happy with that. Closed out some pending orders this morning when there was no volume on the Swissy following the employment data. But yeah, overall, I'm still happy. The account is growing, and that's what we want to see. So yeah, I mean, it's actually fine to be wrong with these calls. You know, I don't get it right every time, but always have a stop loss and protect yourself. Then you know it doesn't matter if you're wrong. You can still make some money. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Hope it helps. Good luck and enjoy.